Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 17th, 2025. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, January 20th, is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and there is no school for the holiday. The week of January 27th is Celebrate Literacy Week, and it is also School Choice Week. Saturday, February 8th is our next open house for students new to PBMA. 10 o'clock a.m. is at the elementary campus, and 11 o'clock a.m. is for the secondary campus. Please tell any friends or family who may be interested. This is also a great opportunity for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary campus and for fifth graders to see our secondary school. Saturday and Sunday, February 22nd and February 23rd is the Lake Worth Street Painting Festival. Please stop by to see all the gorgeous chalk creations that are created by PBMA students and staff on the streets of Lake Worth Beach. Monday, February 24th is a teacher workday. No school for students. Spring break is March 22nd through March 31st. Students will return to school on Tuesday, April 1st. Save the date for our next Astros Skate Night. Skate Night will be Thursday, April 17th at 6 o'clock p.m. And the next day is a spring holiday, so there's no excuse not to join us. The elementary hardcover yearbooks are now on sale at the front office for $40. Attention students and parents, don't miss your chance to order the secondary yearbook. Head over to yearbookcenter.com and use the code 26591 to secure your copy. Check out the yearbook flyer for more details. This week in elementary art, kindergarten through second grade students have been working with primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, to create art inspired by the artist Paye Mandian. This week in STEM, kindergarten through second grade used the Coding Express kit to create a railroad with stops for the people. Grades 3 to 5 built a practice basketball hoop and a court using the Legos. Boys Middle School basketball had their first game on Monday, but unfortunately, we lost 29-18. Darnell medalists led the way with 16 points. Here are the girls' soccer and boys' basketball schedules. Please come out and support your Sharks. The secondary campus held a luncheon for our championship girls' basketball team to celebrate their terrific season. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.